Hey everybody, quick one today. We're going to be talking about these. This is the 12 and 24 amp hour King's portable lithium power packs. Absolutely unreal. Always wanted one of these things for different power options out at camp. Cheeky early Father's Day gift from the kids. Absolutely stoked. Thanks kids, and thanks to Suze. So what we want to do in this one here, just want to unbox them, take a bit of a look to see what you actually get in these, and show you a couple of options for what I'd use them for out of camping. So let's get into it. So hey guys, look, we'll just jump straight in and open these up. Two things first. The reason why we've got two, well, the reason why the kids and Suze bought it for me for Father's Day, and there's two here, is because it was a bundle deal. And I think for the bundle, I think it was ridiculous. I think it was around $200 for both of these, which is an absolute steal. So definitely keep an eye on 4-wheel drive Supercenter and Kings just for deals on these things. But yeah, I thought I'd put that in. Also with these, before we came out to camp, I have taken these out and fully charged them before we came out to camp. Just thought I'd throw that in there because I didn't want to use them or show you how I use them out of camp without them being fully charged fresh out of the box. But look, we'll jump straight in. I just basically wanted to open these up so you can see what you actually get. So in here, pretty simple, your manual, and it comes in a nice packaging here, and it actually comes in a nice soft case. A nice soft case for these to sit in, and it also comes with a fast charge C to C type USB there. Both of them are the same. I'll pull out the 24 so you can take a look at that as well. Yep, manual, exactly the same, just a bit more of a bigger bugger, this one here, the 24 amp hour. I'll just put these down. Excellent. So the case itself, it's actually quite nice. Nice sturdy soft case. I'll pull these out so you can have a bit of a look. Excellent. So I finally got them out of those bloody skin tight cases there. But yeah, taking a look at them here, 12 amp hour and the 24. Aesthetically quite good looking. A little bit hefty. These ones here, so the 12 amp hour, it weighs about 2 kilos, and the 24 amp hour here weighs about 3.5. You can feel that weight in it, but it's sturdy and I guess easy enough to be portable, to be able to carry around. The main difference between these two, obviously the power that you get out of them. So quickly running over the 12 amp hour. So on the 12 here, you have one SIGGI socket. You also have C input, which is for charging, and it also has a DC as well, which I think you can run a King solar panel. I think it's a 70 watt panel that you can actually charge these with as well. It also has your 2 USB out there so you can charge stuff with. Has a button here that you can check the battery, so it has a bit of a battery indicator there, so you can gauge how much battery you actually have on it. At the end here as well, it actually has a light on the end. So yeah, it goes through your normal LED white, and it has an amber one as well. But yeah, that's essentially that. It has a nice rubber handles on the outside as well, so you've got a good firm grip on that bad boy. But yeah, really nice. Going over to the 24 amp hour here, this one here being a little heavier, it does have a solid, quite sturdy handle, which is nice. On this one here, because it packs a little bit more punch than the 12, it does have two SIGGI sockets on here that you can use, so 2 SIGGI outputs, and it also has your C type in and your DC, same as this, and it also has your normal USBs for charging. On the end here as well, it does have your lights, so it has the LED, and it also has the amber one as well. So I think ideally, say if you were actually getting back into camping, or if you're new to camping and you didn't have any sort of battery system, or you know, that sort of thing, these power packs would be ideal for you. Say a quick camp away, context, the 12 amp hour, you could run a small camp fridge for about 12 hours, and the 24 you could run it for about 24 hours, running a small fridge. Also, you can charge all your devices on it, you can power your camp lights, all of those sorts of things as well. So if you didn't want to go down the 12 volt battery box system and all of that for camping, and you wanted to keep it simple and portable, I think these would be an ideal option for you guys. For me, there's a lot of different power options and different kind of scenarios and things that I'd use these for. Still have the 12 volt set up battery box that we do have, but use these for other things like charging stuff and having different portable, and be able to move stuff around depending on the camp setup and that, and actually be able to power stuff. Also, another option with these is, if you want even more options for power source, is just getting either a can or any sort of power inverter. This will be able to provide some AC and a few different options for charging a few other things, say like your battery drills and all, like your drills and batteries and all those sorts of things. Be able to blow up your inflatable beds, inflatable kayaks, those sorts of things as well. So buying one of these are quite cheap. It gives you more options for using these out at camp. But also with these, I'm saying that it'd be great for camping setups, but I think even at home, like with cyclones and all those sorts of things, or even a power outage, say overnight, and you needed power at home, these would be a great option, especially with the light underneath, and being able to power, say if you did have a fridge and you wanted to keep some stuff from going off and that sort of thing, to be able to power that and have a few different power options, say in an emergency situation as well. But enough talking crap here. I'll show you some applications of what I'd use this for out of camp. Hey guys, I forgot to mention with these here, it is probably something to point out. These do take quite some time to charge. Okay, so these are meant for 45 watt USB-C to charge at home or above. But what I can say, the USB fast charge C-type that they sent out with these, with 45 watt at home, plugging it into the wall, the 12 amp hour, it took about 3 to 4 hours for this to charge up, and for the 24 amp hour it took around 7 hours to charge this full. So that is, I just wanted to point that out, that it does take quite some time. Obviously if you do have a higher wattage output to charge these, it'll charge quicker. But yeah, if you're new to these sorts of things, it's not a power bank or anything like that, so it will take some time to charge these up. It's actually, I thought I'd mention it because it is quite a hot topic, which I've seen on a few King's things about how long these bloody things take to charge. It's actually in the manual, like on the first page you open it up, it'll actually tell you how long it bloody takes. So I just thought I'd point that out just so that you guys are aware of that, because I'm pretty sure that people are going to comment on this video and roast me for it. But yeah, I just thought I'd add, it does take quite some time. So be like, obviously when you're charging it up, make sure you're using a decent amount of wattage, so that the charge times for these. But yeah, cheers. So a couple of applications, let's just put it to use. So here, camp lights. In any sort of inverter, a can inverter, on this, your beds, your inflatable beds, inflatable kayaks, all of those sorts of things that you want to blow up, gives you so much more options, and this can do it. Anywhere you want to watch the footy and that sort of stuff, runs your projector. You can have it out here wherever you want it. Awesome. Or you're a little bit hot at camp, a fan. Yep, or just grab an inverter and you can use it for some AC to be able to charge your batteries while you're out of camp as well. Beautiful. Or charge your phone, or several phones. You can even do laptops and those sorts of things, several devices at once. The lithium power pack can take it. And lastly, so this is a smaller King's fridge, the 30 litre. The 24 amp hour, like I mentioned earlier, will run this for 24 hours. Like obviously if you're not plugging in anything else and using it, it'll run it for about that length of time. So totally ideal if you're coming out for the weekend and you're running a small fridge like this. The 12 amp hour should be roughly around 12 hours running time. Probably look at it more like 11 and 23 hours for this one here, but it'll run your fridge for you. Look at the bug on here, Suze. What are you doing, you cheeky bugger? But yeah, here on the King's fridge you can see lithium battery here. It is pumping in there 13.4. Like I said, I did charges before we left, so it's reading there, and that's how much power this is pumping out, which is absolutely fantastic, fully charged. But with this as well, I've seen you know, people like even in their camp setups and all the rest of the stuff where they have a dual battery system. This here is an option, and it is an option. You're probably going to laugh, and yes, you know, there's probably going to be comments about this, but I have seen people, especially for daily drivers, you know, going out to job sites and that sort of thing, that don't want to spend the money to actually run a dual battery system up in your car, to run like a fridge in the back of your car all the time. So whilst you're driving, it's charging that dual battery, you know, the DC-DC charger and everything else. This is an easy option if you want to have like a cheap alternative to what a dual battery system is. You'd be able to plug this in and have it plugged into the fridge. Because of the bypass or the pass-through, essentially you can charge it and use it at the same time, no different from a battery box setup. So having this as an alternative, so whilst you're driving, it is charging the power pack up, and when you're parked up on the job site or down the shops or whatever, your fridge is still running and this is powering it, but every time you're driving it's charging that up. So it is a really good option for that. So say if you did get that solar panel that I mentioned earlier, say that 70 watt from King's, whilst you're out of camp you can use it totally like a battery box. Have the solar panel out there so it's trickle charging it whilst you're charging up your devices. So it is quite a cheap option, but yeah, honestly guys, the amount of different scenarios and that sort of stuff that I've wanted these for, I have kept an eye on it on King's four-wheel drive supercenter for quite some time, and now there is a 36 amp hour model as well, which I kind of creamed over there for a little bit, but we were just waiting for the prices to drop. And as you know, four-wheel drive supercenter and King's, some of the deals, if you keep an eye on those products, sometimes they're absolutely ridiculous, and like you can't sleep on it, just jump on those deals. So really stoked with these two here. Been umming and ahhing about it for a while, really stoked that it's a great Father's Day present for myself. But really having those options to be able to use it out of camp or in an emergency at home for whatever reason, they're really good devices. So I'll continue to use them and we'll see how they go over the next year or so, and probably touch base back on them. But you know, from King's, look, all the gear that I've got from King's, never had an issue with them. So really these power packs I'm really stoked with. They work bloody brilliant. So look, if it's an option that you might like, hopefully this video has helped you out. But please like and subscribe, all of those sorts of things. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, get amongst it. Cheers.
Suze packs the tin cups, LT grabs a map, Snickers howls as we hit the dusty track. The black beast rumbles, chewing up the miles, chasing that horizon where the red earth smiles.